The year is 2025 and the crypto market is on fire. Meme coins are where fortunes are made and lost in seconds, and two names dominate the conversation: Brett and Pengu. Brett, the base chain's laid-back mascot, and Pengu, the cuddly penguin backed by a massive NFT empire, are both racing for that legendary 100x return. This isn't just about money, it's a battle of stories, communities, and which narrative will win over millions of new crypto investors. Will Brett's fresh energy on the fast, cheap base blockchain win out, or will Pengu's established brand on Ethereum take the crown? We're diving deep into both coins, their tech, their hype, and their real chances of turning pocket change into a fortune. Get ready, the race to 100x is on, and it's going to be wild. Meme coins have taken over crypto in 2025, and it's not just hype. Fast, cheap blockchains like Base and Solana have made trading accessible to everyone. No more sky-high fees. But it's the power of community that really drives these coins. Online movements, memes, and viral energy turn jokes into billion-pound assets. Meme coins are fun, simple, and relatable, no finance degree required. They attract a new generation of investors looking for excitement and a story to believe in. The dream of massive gains is the main attraction. While stocks might give you 10% a year, meme coins can do that in a day. Stories of early Dogecoin and Shiba Inu investors turning hundreds into millions fuel the mania. Low entry costs, strong communities, and the hope of life-changing profits are the perfect recipe for meme coin fever in 2025. That's why everyone's talking, and why the craze isn't slowing down. Meet Brett, the meme coin with real pedigree. Brett comes from the Boys Club comic, the same universe as Pepe the Frog, and is now the unofficial mascot of the Base blockchain. Base, built by Coinbase, is fast and cheap, making Brett easy to buy and sell for everyone. As Base grows, Brett is perfectly positioned to be its first and most recognizable meme coin. Trading at around 4p with a £420 million market cap, Brett is still small compared to meme coin giants. For Brett to 100x, it would need to hit £42 billion, a massive but not impossible target in a bull market. The key? Narrative and adoption. If Base explodes, Brett could ride the wave. A Coinbase listing could be a game-changer, exposing Brett to millions and giving it legitimacy. The path is clear. Brett's fate is tied to the rise of Base and its ability to capture the meme coin crown. It's all about timing, hype, and being in the right place as the Base ecosystem takes off. Now let's talk Pengu, the coin born from the Pudgy Penguins NFT empire. Pudgy Penguins are more than NFTs. They're a global brand with toys in stores, a massive online following, and a passionate community. Pengu leverages this brand power, aiming to be the coziest cult currency of 2025. Built on Ethereum, Pengu has access to deep liquidity and prestige, but faces high gas fees. Its market cap is already £850 million, making the 100x dream, £85 billion, a monumental challenge. For Pengu to get there, the Pudgy Penguins brand would need to expand massively. Think gaming, animation, and more merchandise, all powered by Pengu. Imagine using Pengu in a Penguins video game or for exclusive content. If the brand keeps growing, Pengu could become a true brand-backed currency, not just a meme. But the climb is steep, and it'll take more than hype to reach the top. Side by side, Brett and Pengu couldn't be more different. Brett is pure meme energy on a new, fast chain. Pengu is a brand-backed coin with real-world clout. Brett's lower market cap means a 100x is mathematically more achievable. £42 billion is huge, but not unprecedented. Pengu's £850 million starting point makes its 100x target, £85 billion, almost out of reach. Base's low fees make Brett accessible to small investors, while Ethereum's high fees could slow Pengu's adoption. Brett's community is speculative and hungry for the next big thing. Pengu's is loyal, established, and rooted in real-world success. Brett feels like the high-risk, high-reward upstart. Pengu is the blue-chip meme coin. The choice: explosive potential or steady growth. Which philosophy wins in 2025? Raw meme power or brand-backed stability? That's the real showdown. In meme coins, hype is everything. Brett's buzz is grassroots and viral. Memes, influencers, and crypto traders keep it trending in the crypto world. As price rises, so does the hype, creating a feedback loop that draws in more buyers. Pengu's hype is top-down, driven by the Pudgy Penguins brand and big announcements. Think toy launches and mainstream media coverage. Pengu often breaks into the wider public, while Brett dominates hardcore crypto circles. Brett wins with traders and meme enthusiasts. Pengu wins with mainstream recognition. For a coin to truly 100x, it needs both passionate community energy and broad appeal. Right now, neither coin has a monopoly on hype. The question, does viral, community-driven energy or steady brand-driven growth win the bull market? The answer may decide which coin takes the crown. 100x returns are the dream, but let's get real. For every coin that makes it, thousands go to zero. It takes perfect timing, narrative, and luck. Brett needs to hit 42 billion pounds to 100x. Possible, but the odds are slim. A 10x or 20x is far more realistic and still life-changing. Pengu's 100x target is 85 pounds billion, almost impossible. Even with massive brand growth, the law of large numbers is against it. A 5x or 10x for Pengu is a more reasonable goal, putting it in the same league as a successful Brett. The real takeaway, 10x to 20x gains are the sweet spot for top meme coins. Chasing 100x is like buying a lottery ticket. Aiming for 10x is a calculated risk. Don't get blinded by hype. Focus on what's actually achievable. Both coins could deliver huge returns, but only one has a realistic shot at the moon. Manage your expectations and remember, in crypto anything can happen, but only a few will truly win big. So which coin has the best shot at 100x in 2025? Pengu is the safer bet, backed by a real brand, proven revenue, and mainstream appeal. But its high market cap limits explosive upside. Brett is pure meme energy, volatile, risky, but with much more room to grow. The math favors Brett. 420 million pounds to 42 billion pounds is a tough climb, but not impossible. Brett's story as the Pepe of base is simple, powerful, and accessible to the masses. If base takes off, Brett could ride the wave to the top. Pengu will likely deliver strong, steady returns, but Brett is the true moonshot. The verdict: Brett has the edge for 100x potential, thanks to its lower cap and viral narrative. But remember, high risk, high reward. We've explored Brett, the base chain's meme king, and Pengu, the brand-backed penguin with NFT power. Brett is for those chasing wild gains and betting on culture. Pengu is for those who want stability and a proven team. The choice is about more than numbers. It's about which story you believe in. My analysis: Brett has the higher 100x potential, but the risks are huge. Pengu might only 10x, but that's still a win for most investors. Your decision depends on your risk tolerance and strategy. The 2025 bull run is here. Opportunities like this are rare. So which coin would you pick? Let me know in the comments below.